Hello. Yo, Hunter. What's up? Welcome in. Welcome in. I just feel like doing this today. So, this is what I'm going to do. Snowman. Ooh, nice. Oh my God. You got it. Fitting with the times, right? Y'all got a bunch of snow over there. I feel like. How's the weather, Hunter? How's everything going? I'm doing great. Okay. I'm doing good. I'm chilling. I'm feeling better today. I had a bit of a rough day yesterday, but I'm good today. It's not too bad right now. Nice. That's good. It's cold, of course, of course, of course. But yeah, it's really hot here, so I'm jealous of you, actually. I'm jealous. I want some cold. Where you been? I saw that you played Once Human last. I wasn't there to watch it though. And now I'm like I will never know if you're gonna stream again, so I feel like okay, hold on. Let me share my Discord with y'all. I should share my Discord. Um, I don't know if it's gonna work, but oh, there we go. Okay, okay, okay. Nice. Oh, you streamed Hightail 2 days in a row? Damn. See, she don't tell me, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I guess she didn't know either. Like, she's been busy lately, because there was like a ice storm coming in her area. So, no, no, no. Hell nah. Mm-mm. Hunter, we love you. What she talking about? Next time, just fucking DM her, tell her. She be so busy lately, and it doesn't come through. I'm good to. I'm happy to know you're doing good. Happy to know that. Wow! Oh my God, you're awesome. Thanks for the sub, everyone. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. You're awesome. What's the longest word though? Hold on, hold on. Priority. How do you write that? My English, yeah, no. Oh, it's good. Okay, okay. My English ain't usually Englishing. I guess it does. I guess it do be. Okay, what's the second longest word? Fuck. Retract like 2 letters from that. Mm, what is it? What? Okay. Damn. 5 head. Yeah, I knew that big head was for a good reason. Nice. Good shit. Okay, hold on. Hara, hara, hara. Mm, I got some. I got some. Mhm. Oh, there's no H. Fuck. Well. Mm, damn. Yo, we need way more words. We're not gonna make it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, we made it. Wow. Wow, yeah. You did it. Holy shit. 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 Oh my god. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I don't know any more than that. This is a hard one. Isn't bogan a word? That is. Yeah. Damn, we suck. Hold on, hold on. Nice. Okay, easy. Okay, okay. Like, hmm, what could it be? What could it be? Hmm. Nah, I ain't got this. Look, I got an excuse answer. I don't know about you. English is not my second language. It's not my first, it's not my second. Ooh, really? Is that a word? What the fuck? Okay, I'm learning, I'm learning. The fuck? Mm. Sometimes they put names in this shit. It is an ugly ass word. It's crazy. That's crazy. Well, we didn't make this one. Oh, last moment. Oh, Lagoon, right. There's a movie called Lagoon. Or The Blue Lagoon or some shit like that. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. I remember. Dang, good word. Mm. Dang, look at you. Way more points than me. That's crazy. That's it. That's it. I'm locking in. That's it. That's it. Okay. Mm. Is this a word? Mm. Oh shit! What? Oh, armchair. Okay, okay. Well, I guess this is a word as well then. And then, mm, nice, nice. Okay. Mm. This is a word, isn't it? March. Yes, I thought. Okay, okay, okay. Mm. Yeah, this is hard. That's a word. Mm-hmm. Damn, this shows me that I have so much to fucking learn. Maria, you could put names in. That's crazy. Okay, that's good to know. That's really good to know, actually. Really good. What's the sound I'm going through? Oh, dang, we didn't make it. Okay, try again. Um, I'm trying to put the sound through. I thought it was making the sound this whole time. Mm. Yo, these words, you got some X and Y and C. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, Dang, that's so simple. Nice. Oh my god. Look, I'm trying to fix the audio actually. So hold on. I'm not focusing on that. There we go. This one is working out. Just this one. Hmm. Yeah, we got this. Let's go for the next one. Let's go. Mhm. I feel like it's penguin. No, but there's not two eyes. Um. Oh, okay. Pudding. Put with two T's. Is that a word? Oh wait, I put three T's. Okay. There you go. Input. Nice, nice. Um, I thought about gun, but that's like three letters. Oh, this is the name of not a word. Okay. Mm. What the fuck is that? I don't even know what that is. The fuck? Yo, that's crazy. I don't know what that word is. What is that? Oh, I don't really know. Never heard that word before. Yeah, you know the word. That's nice. I mean, you should know the word. You American. You just joking. Mm. Oh, I already did that. Okay. Hug. Oh, okay. I got one. Got one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice. Ooh, only two more words. Oh my god, we're so close. Dang. Okay. Let's go. 3 stars. Hell yeah. I'm talking about. Nice. Mm. Why doesn't this make audio? Hmm. Mm, I'm gonna throw in some random words. Might, time, time. Oh, meta. Hmm. That's a good one. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let me do this again because I think I was locked. Like, time. Yeah. Mm. Wait, did I? Huh? Did I say? Oh, team. Right. Oh my god. Nice. Oh, Marnie, what's up? Welcome in. Oh my god, I'm glad you're here. I'm happy you're here. I'm sure y'all know each other, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh shit, she's in. She's gonna get everything. Listen, Hunter. She knows. She knows everything. Okay. Let me tell you, it's a comp right now. About to be a comp. Okay. Mm, this is a game. Peak. Oh my god. Let's see. Let this shit unlock me first. Am I unlocked? If you see a lock in front of your name, you're still locked. Okay, that's how it works. There we go. We're unlocked. Puke. What's the longest word though? Nice. Okay. What's the longest word though? That's interesting. Hmm. Mm. Oh fuck. Okay. Of course. Of course. I don't know any other words. Hmm. Pika? Pikachu? Okay. Dang. Okay. Mm. I'm telling you, next round she gonna surpass me. Rich. Rich is not a word. What the? Okay, I was just gonna say, dang. Mm-hmm. Check it. Check. No, wait, there's no. Okay, okay, okay. I see something. I see a word. I see a word. There we go. But it's not a word. Rice is a word. What? Wait, I already said it. Uh, no, I didn't. I did. No, I'm blind. Oh, chic. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. Chic is also a word. I think you were locked though, so do it again. Do it again. Um, fuck, I don't know any more words. Oh, the R is a dummy. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know. A name? Okay. Yeah, yeah, it works. It works. Chicken. Oh, fuck. It's too late. Oh my god. Yes, you got it. Holy shit. Oh yeah. How could we forget that word? It's our fucking favorite. Chicken. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We didn't make it though, so fuck. Okay. On to the next round. Mm, 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 mm. Why doesn't this make any sound? Hold on. Um, mhm. Bro, that's so weird. Properties. Audio. Okay, let me try to add audio again. The audio finally works. Okay. Wonderful, wonderful. Mm. Uh, yo, I don't know any word. It's crazy. Cutlet? Cutlet. Oh, that's what you said already. Okay. Well, I wasn't paying attention. Chicken cutlet. That's all I can think about. Like food. Tell me about food. I know everything. Okay. Tell me about the food. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Oh. Mm. Yeah. I have no idea. Oh. Damn. Damn. Nice. Nice, Hunter. Mm. have no fucking clue. Seriously. Damn. Open opponent? Okay. Yeah. That's a big word, okay? We don't learn that. As a non-English speaker, we don't learn that as the first thing. Opponents. Okay. See, I love this game. This is how I learn new words. Expand my vocabulary. I love it. I love it. I love this shit. Dang, we didn't get it. Oh. You don't know to go back to hightail or once human. Look, I don't know about hightail, but it sounds like fun. I know once human, and I love watching you play once human. It's more dynamic, I believe. What are you feeling right now? You do that. Let me see. Let me see what hightail is. Oh, it's like the fucking. Oh, it's like the. What's it called? Minecraft game. I see. Yeah. Everybody's been playing it. Like the big streamers been playing it. It looked really good, for sure. No, okay. In that case, I would say hightail. Do hightail. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. More objective focus. Okay. Yeah. I would do hightail. That's awesome. Oh, I know a word. The first word in like 5 hours. Fuck. Mourn. Wait. Oh, right. Is that how you write it? Mandatory. Fine. More. Oh, nice. Nomad? Oh, it's true. Damn. I should know that. It's in the game. The game term, isn't it? The digital world. Damn. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. Be right back. Here be. Mm. What is this? Okay, hold on. The word? Okay, good. Try attack. I know there's a word there with the Y. Mm. Rectory? I've never heard of this word before. What the fuck? We try. That's good. Try, but that's 3 words, 3 letters. Um, Coyote? No, that's not too old. Damn, I'm so bad with this. I need to get my English up. Seriously. Oh my god. Tori. I'm just throwing in names now. Troll. Oh, I don't know. Right. Fret. I don't know. Throat. Oh. Is that an actual word? That's crazy. Okay. You beat me to it. That's crazy. Nice. I don't think we made it. No, we didn't. Iris? That's what I think. Okay. Versus. Survive. Right. Damn, you always get the big words. Dang. He's so intellectual, Hunter. Let me dust that shoulder off. Is this a word? Yeah, it is. Yeah. Unlock me, motherfuckers. Oh, wait. Where's the... Oh. Nice. What the fuck is that? Iris? Oh, wow. Actually, yes. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, nice. We made it. 1 star. Barely. But I'm happy. I'm happy about that. Oh, yeah. Citizen? Right. Okay. That ain't the longest word though. You're almost there. You almost there. Yeah, okay. Yeah. I'm just going random shit right now. Oh, nice. Of course, sink. Of course. Hold on. I'm gonna put that in already. No. Fuck, I don't know words. 2 more words, Hunter. Damn. You got almost all of it. You got almost all of it, and I got like just one word. Room is a word. Also a word. Nice. Damn, wait. Armorer? Armorer. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. Moreno. No. There's a lot of R's. It's fucking crazy. Is this a word? Mirror. Four. Mare? Okay. Damn, there's a lot of words I gotta learn. Holy fuck. Okay. Nice. Na, 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 na. 80% of these words you'll never use. Indeed, indeed. But it's good to know them. Those are, well, the big words, at least. I love them. This is pyramid, I guess. Pyramid. No, there's no D. Oh, primary. Okay. Dang. Okay. Fuck. Yo, this is hard. What a Y? Okay, okay. Mary. Mary J. Oh, that's a word? Crazy. Okay. Ramp. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I don't know anything else. Let's see. What the fuck? Huh? Harry? Harry? Vampire. No. Nice. Great. Oh my god. Yo, I'm so bad at this. This is why I need to play this game more often. So I can learn more words. Dang, Hunter single-handedly saved the fucking game. Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Oh shit. Hold on. Remember? Mile. Nice. Okay. No way, that's a word. That's crazy. Vega Miller. That's a brand. That's a brand. Myler. The heck was sorry? Oh, I did. Okay. Meyer. Okay. Good word to learn. That's new to me. News to me. Yaha.
They bite everything that I do. Smoke a blunt and eat me some shrooms. Living in hell right here on earth. All I do is get high and work. Baby, what you doing on the first? She looked at me and cracked a smirk. I taste codeine when I burp. It feel like a nigga curse. Been a while since I went to church. Had my pain and tears in the verse. Don't nobody understand me. Fuck some fame, fuck a Grammy.
Wait, you streaming? I know you can multitask, boy. I know you can do it. You streaming? Let me watch your stream. Let me know if you're streaming so I can join in. Do your thing. Okay, okay, okay. You just branding? Alright, alright. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, nice. Isn't that a game as well? Division. Awesome game. I was locked. That's crazy. What is also working? Oh, the B is dummy. Okay. All right. All right. Y'all got me. Y'all got me. The B is a dummy. The B is a dummy. I don't know. I really don't know. Void? Fuck. Void. Oh, yeah, yeah. I already said that. Bios. That was a good as well. Damn. Oh, that's so easy, and I didn't think about that. That's crazy. Nice, Hunter. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, the G is a dummy. Oh, shit. Okay. Pita? Peta? Pete? We just throwing out words at this point. Oh my god, Hunter. Look at your high score. Oh, fuck. Oh, I feel inferior next to you. God dang. Yeah, big brain. BG brain. Uh-huh. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You think? Yeah, it is. It is. Damn. What's the name? Oh, damn. Fried chicken. Mm-hmm. Pfeiffer? I need to research that. I don't know what that is. Pfeiffer. New word. Hmm. Nah.
She might get a Chanel purse if I hit it fly. She don't want no lame niggas, she like drug dealers. Her pussy ain't for broke niggas, she like rich niggas. I'ma do her nails, her toes and keep her fly. She might get a Chanel purse if I hit it fly. Yellow photo coupe, it look like a photo shoot. Got a yellow bitch with me and canary yellow juice. Chanel like I greasy clientele and that's true. And if I tell that bitch the truth, then she gon' jump off the roof. Act like it's a honeymoon, we ain't even jumped the broom. Sucking me like a vacuum, man, this bitch must be on shroom. I was trying to keep it cool, no pressure, call me Mr. Smooth. Cause when I whip my dick out on my pants, the elephant in the room. And she just broke up with her ex, young nigga didn't have no money. A black girl, but she get hit like she a snow bunny. I just gave her 5,000 and told her it's gas money.
Game unlock me. Thank you. There you go. Mhm.
She like drug dealers. Her pussy ain't for broke niggas, she like rich niggas. I'ma do her toes and keep her fly.
Man.
She might get a Chanel purse if I hit it fly.
What up, Pablo? Nice. That's easy. Oh my god. Why didn't I think of that? Crazy.
I'ma do her toes and keep her fly. She might get a Chanel purse if I hit it fly.
Mine? There we go. Look at that. Damn, these are common words that we just forget about. Seriously. Crazy. Nice. I don't know this word. Cone. Damn, a bunch of common words that you fucking forget about. Beautiful. Beautifully done, Pablo. Nice, Pablito. Let's go. Yo, I'm the lowest. That's crazy. Damn. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Nice. Pickaxe. Minecraft. That's what we get.
prison, no hospital. Send his ass to the dead house. Send his ass to the mortician. His ass dead now. I'm creeping to the day I die, but all I see is red.
Hmm. Oh, you already got that. Mm. Oh, cake. Cake, cake, cake. Nice. Look at that. Like, so many common words we just fucking forget about. This is how I realized that. It's crazy. Damn, Pablo. You coming in and just knocking us out. Crazy. Good shit. Yo, Max! Thanks for the follow. Welcome in. Oh my god. Good to see you here. Hell yeah. I ain't got no cam on today. I just want to chill and just fucking, learn some new words, basically. Welcome in, Max. You gorgeous one. Oh yeah. Good to see you here. I see if you could beat them. Look, English is my second language, okay? Well, not really. It's my third language. Not even my second language, so... I really enjoy this game, so I can learn.
Commander Ivanova, I'm hereby issuing an executive order placing Babylon 5
recon.
under quarantine.
We got that.
Trouble with you is you're prejudiced against me because I'm part of a minority group. What minority group? Millionaires. You outnumber us.
Oh, this is a word. 4.
You'll never get us. We'll fight for our rights to the bitter end. We've got the money to do it.
Damn, that was fast. We had only 4 more words to go. Would have aced it. Crazy. Good shit, guys. Pablito coming in hot with the clutch. Let's go. Damn, look at that. Oh, fuck. Hold on. I know something. This not a word? Unlock me. Unlock me. Nice. Is dial not a word? Dial is not a word. Dial, but it's not. Coil. Coil. There we go. Nice. Clyde. This is the name. I thought load was like LOAD. Oh my god. The real cold. We didn't make it. That's crazy. Nah. Well, on to the next one. I don't know any words, guys. Help me out. Get back. I'm gonna get a drink first. Oh my god, glitter. Wow. Hi, welcome in. Thank you. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you, girl. We should play Ark one time. Seriously. Or whatever else you're playing. I know you're into Ark, so... Hi, how you doing? How you been? I've been just lurking. If you haven't noticed, I've just been lurking lately. I've been busy, you know, with work and whatnot. But I'll be there. Alright. We should play like whatever. I'm down. I'm down for whatever. Pronto. We'll do it. We'll do it. Thank you. Thank you for the follow. How's your Sunday going? I hope everything's going chill. Just like mine. Just chilling, you know? Yeah. Nice. Thank you. Wait. Spring cleaning, you gotta rip the junk. Hell yeah. I know what you're saying. Girl. Yeah, I got so much junk right now. I don't know where to start. And usually I'm a minimalist type of person. Like, I don't like to have clutter around, but you know, at the end of the year, you know, you're gonna get a bunch of gifts and all the goodies and food and everything, you know. Things can get a little messed up. And yeah. We're at the time of the year we have to organize again. And I love it. I love it. I feel so good. So I would usually be playing hunts and have a cam on, but today I just want to chill, you know, do some words, learn some new words. That's it. Till Sunday, and I hope y'all having a great Sunday as well. Oh, you've been going through stuff to donate? Yeah, hell yeah. That's the way to do it. So many things we take for granted that other people might need, and I'm always also like looking for things to just give to people that need it. Donate or to family. Usually I just give stuff away to my family. It's like some stuff that I have laying around all fucking year long, and I'm like, okay, I didn't even know this existed, you know? And I'm like, okay, I might as well just give it to someone that will use it. So that's what I do. That's what I try to do. Okay, do I know any words here? Let's see. Port. Roti is a word, but I don't know if in English it's a word. English and English? Oh, nice. A common word that I would not think about. That's crazy. Oh, shit. She got a big brain, guys. Oh. Big brain. 5'8". Okay. Let's see. Oh my gosh. You about to get all the fucking words. Hey, Megs. Megs coming in hot. Let's go. Is this a word? I think it is, but they ain't gonna count it. Oh, you did already. Okay, good. This one. Is it not? Oh, you did that already? That's crazy. What's the longest word, guys? I always like to get the longest word. Tripod. Of course! My God. Dang! It's always the girls with the big brains. Let's go. Guys, step it up. Hunter, where you at? Pablito, where you at? Come on in. Let's go. Good shit. You made it. You made it to the next round. Yeah, Megs is here. It's good to see you, ladies. I love y'all, seriously. I love y'all so much. Ranch. Is that a word? Ranch. Okay. What's that longest word? I hope y'all not cheating and using ChatGPT or some shit like that. Don't be doing that. Oh, it is a word. You don't have time for all that. I mean, I'll be honest with you. ChatGPT helped me a lot with my paperwork. Okay, all the paperwork that I fucking hate. Everybody hates that, so it has really helped me. Make my time more efficient. That's the only reason why I could say I love AI. It does help. Nice. Some good words. Rain? No. Yo, I have no idea. My braining right now. Damn. Well, we need something, guys. Yeah, I get it. It's Sunday. We all chilling. I'm good, guys. that do say in my cup. Wait, okay. Five. Oh shit! Inside boards. Oh my god. Dang. And they put in dice. Dice is a word, right? Dice? Dance? Dice? Dice with a C, I guess. The word. I don't know about dice with an S. It probably is. Dang, she got the biggest word. Yeah. Oh, you were locked, girl. Now you can type it. Now you can type it again. So when you type a word and you get one, they're gonna give you a lock in front of your name. And if you can't type a word the second time. Yeah. It's not in? Let me see. Let me type it. Let's try. Oh, it was. I don't know why they still locked you. That's crazy. So weird. I can't change that in the settings either, so. That's interesting. My bad, I yanked your word.
I got money, I got money, I got wealth, but I got problems too. Mental health, I need help. I got money, I got wealth.
Dang, we got almost nothing.
But I got
Oh,
problems
good.
too. Mental health, I need help. Mental health, I need anger management. Anxiety, I'm panicking. Got something to do, don't wanna go, but I can't cancel it. Fuck it.
Oh my girl, morning it.
I count and say
Hold on.
count on 10. My jeweler like my therapist. He know I'm coming back again. This ruler drive you crazy. Go buy a new Mercedes. Might get one for my lady. Might buy one for my baby. I got smoking on this dope trying to cope, but I'm just fine now. Scrolling through these.
Yoink! Kind of fell. Okay, I'm locking in for this one. Let's see. Ooh, this is a long one. Okay,
But I got problems too. Mental health, I need help. I got money, I got money, I got wealth, but I got problems too. Mental health, I need help. I got money, I got money, I got wealth, but I got problems too. Mental health, I need help. I got issues.
we got girl.
Talking to my therapist, she say I need time out. Smoking on this dope,
Oh.
trying to cope, but I'm just fine now. Scrolling through these.
Oh, I know one. My unlocked. Okay.
I hit the cup, it hit me back. I'm smoking strong, the fuck is that? She say lay back, I feel relaxed.
Cutlet, no. Cultural, no. Cultural. Is that a word? Hold on. Cultural. Oh, it is. It was. Nice. Finally, I get the biggest word. Shit. My brain works. Fuck. My god, finally. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Glitty. So what I mean is culture. No, there's no E. Yeah. Oh, you did that already, Paul? Okay. Yeah, this is card. Oh, card. Nice. Okay. Damn. Fuck. Thumbs up so quick. Oh my god. Basura, basura. Nice. Nice. Nice and sweet letters. Dice. That's also a word, right? Sight. But a C. I'm thinking the X is a dummy. I'm thinking the X is a dummy. Yeah. Yeah. Hide. Yeah, my brain, I'm braining. Hide. Oh, why is this not? What? Hold on. Yeah, the X was a dummy. Fuck that X. Oh, I see. Yeah.
I just pulled up at the car, I spent a half a meal like fuck it. He was a real one, but he wasn't, so it's fuck him. I just pulled a 6 in a 1 liter, I'm like fuck it. If I let your bitch come give me head, then that bitch lucky. Oh, what you doing? I'm drinking dirty, I'm riding dirty. She got on no belly, but I'm in the hurry. Permit to see what come in when I get thirsty. I told all my niggas I got them, don't worry. I fucked up 200,000, no jury. Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck this shit. Never was I supposed to make it this far, but I made it. Couple million later, my closest nigga started hating. Mama fucked around and made a rich straight. So to the day I die, yeah, she gon' be my first lady. They tried to lock me out, I kicked the door down and I took it. Ain't never so cocaine, but I'm so street that I can
Nice.
cook it.
Light built full. Foil? Is foil a word? Foil. Oh, it is. Okay. Yo, y'all have to teach me some words. Seriously.
Please don't panic. I just pulled up at the car, I spent a half a meal like fuck it. Thought he was a real one, but he wasn't, so it's fuck him. I just pulled a 6 in a 1 liter, I'm like fuck it. If I let your bitch come give me head, then that bitch lucky. Oh, what you doing? I'm drinking dirty, I'm riding dirty. She got on no belly, but
Oh, we didn't make it.
I got them, don't worry. I fucked up 200,000, no jury. Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck this shit. I didn't come in I'm watching my ring is flooded. Yeah, all of these bitches that love me. Yeah, $7,000 coat on, high class street nigga thug. Yeah, pulled up at the collar, spent a half a meal like fuck it. Thought he was a real one, but he wasn't, so it's fuck him. I just pulled a 6 in a 1 liter. I'm like fuck it. If I let your bitch come give me head, then that bitch love
It's
me.
just
Hey,
like
yo.
samples, and then like somebody just put together like these kind of like chill beats to study to, but it's like my version of it that I like personally. I think is better than that. I feel like a lot of people think this shit is cringe. I don't care. I think it's
Oh,
fucking
now is a
cool.
word.
I really like
Oh.
the style of the beats.
Oh, ceiling. Dang. Okay, okay.
Oh wait.
Say that's my nigga, I made him a million, now fuck it, we all rich. I ain't tryna have babies right now, so we fuck with a rubber, but I got a raw bitch.
Yeah.
Know this money bring give me,
Oh,
you
there we go.
probably won't give me, but bro, we can't be about no small shit. Overseas got the crowd doing my shit. Can't believe that I'm still in an apartment. Businessman when they got me in office. $1,000,000 deals, I get them off me.
You beat me to it.
All the shit, he gon' stay with the chopstick. I got raw, that shit made me a monster.
Your brain be braining faster than mine.
Got they houses as big as they want 'em. I didn't realize no motherfucking commas. Look at Lil Dumb. Living like we in a race. I might come in first and second, but I won't ever
Look,
be
I ain't trying to brain right now, okay?
Bro told me don't take my
I'm
foot
just
off
trying to
the
chill,
gas.
but learn new words while I chill.
I'ma shoot by myself like a 10 on the file. City to city, got girls going wild. I reach for my chain when I jump in the crowd. Lambo solo out of squad. We finally made it, let's pop us a bottle. I took the lead and let everyone follow. They know I'm running it right to the bank. They want me to ease up, I didn't leave them any bleeding. I'm sorry, I told them I can't. Heard you were rats, but you know what's gonna happen whenever we catch you.
Oh, dang. Okay. Last moment. It sounds like a name. Hold on. What is that? Let me Google that real quick.
I'm trying to get out of here and go taste it. Yeah, my diamonds be VV. They don't wanna see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, I got something to do. In the street, I done paid all my dues. No instruction, ain't talking about literally. I be walking on BC, you hear me? I just pray that my kids be a big of me. They can't get rid of me. My diamonds be VV. They don't wanna see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, I got something to lose. In the street, I done paid
A
all
right
my
to
dues.
keep possession of property. Really? How do you pronounce that?
Leon.
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 Leon?
Leon.
What? Here? Nice. Okay. Real? Instagram reel? Weird? What? Yo, I'm learning so much. Like, what is that word? Weird. Second person, singular path. Huh. Wow, okay, okay. Look, Liddy, you throwing out words so either you actually know this. I think you actually know this because, yeah. English is your first language, of course. Let's go home. Let's go home. Okay. Well done. Nice. Dang. Okay, great. That's the biggest word. We got that. Okay. Okay. That means we got this shit. Oh yeah. Weld is also a word. You've been unlocked now, so you can try weld again. Fuck, I know nothing. Weed? Weed? Yeah. Yo. Well, oh, you got that. You got that. Well, I'm just gonna keep this running. Y'all can chill, guys.
Like, yeah, I'm trying to roll up a op and put him in the L. Yeah, if he ain't right, then the bitch getting left.
Yeah.
My nigga got caught with some bitch made his
Yeah.
bill. Look at my lip wrist, this bitch call it seal. Yeah, I mean, call this ice. One in the head, you better think twice. Niggas be switching, I can't leave my pipe. Be switching, I can't be without it. These niggas, some bitches, these niggas out. When go get it, I gotta go get it on my road to these niggas clown. The bitch ain't switches, the Maybach got switches the way these
wait, what?
up and up the ground. I'm a fuck nigga.
Because you wasn't here, Hunter.
6 hours, man of the house. 10 years later, playing around with a pound.
Okay, the competition is on because we got big brains in the house. Okay, let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. Bring it on, Overwhelm. No, over. We got some big brains, so show me what you got, Hunty. Yo, Chino! Oh my god! What up? It's been such a long time, bro. Welcome in. Good to see you. It's been so long. Holy shit. Some people have been resurrected. Dang. Good to see you, Chino. Over? No. 4? 4. Is that a word? 4. I guess they don't do that. Hey, if the shoe fits. Okay. Oh. Is it whore like that? Really? I thought you wrote it as with the H. That's crazy. This whole time I was wrong. I've been lied to my whole life. God. That's crazy. Oh, like war. Okay. Wearing something. Past tense. Got it. Oh my god, you're awesome. Okay. Or, yeah, that's what I was thinking about actually. Hoochie. That's funny. That's actually funny. Oh my god, good shit. Wait, we only got 1 star? Nah, we can do better than that, guys. Come on, let's go. Let's try to... I don't. My braining. Look, I got this. Oh, there's not two. Premium. I wrote it wrong. Here we go. I got the biggest one. What you think about that, Hunter? I got the biggest one. Let's go. Bam! Let's go. Premium. I saw that one. Mime, nice. Mime, Ryan, Rom. Prime. Oh, I got one. Pure. Right.
I don't know. It makes me think of like modern day
Apple.
nostalgia, or like we're going back to that.
Meyer is a world. I mean, a word. Meyer. Let me look that up. Meyer. Meyer. A stretch of a swampy or boggy ground. Excuse me. Fine. Did y'all get that already? Okay, fine. Mirror. The mirror. Here. Higher. No. The bayou tickler. Prim. Yo, yes. That's a word, right? I'm all the way at the bottom. That's crazy. Nah. That's crazy. Yo, Hunter came in and just fucking beat us out. Like, he yoinked us. Dang. Okay. Let's do this. Shitter? That's crazy. Oh, I see cucumber. Hell yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I'll beat y'all to it. Let's go. Yeah. Let's fucking go. Kirk Cube, nice. From Euro? No. Yo, I don't know anything else. Rue? No, that's 3 letters. Rube? Rube, that's actually a word. Curb, nice, right. Don't hit the curb. Oh shit, she beat you to it, Chino. Dang. Umber. Is that a color? Umber? I'm googling everything I see, guys. I'm trying to learn here. Okay. Don't judge me. Umber. Umber is a natural pigment resembling but darker than ochre. Okay. Dark yellowish brown. Okay. I thought it was a color. I know this. Nice. Beautiful word. I'm just throwing words. Oh, I already did that. You? Hell yeah! We're moving up, guys. Let's go! We got 2 stars this time. Let's fucking go. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Give me some more. No. Oh, you did that already. Okay. Bean? Ween? Whence? Oh wait, whence? Somebody write that. Oh, you're ready. That. Sorry, I panicked for no reason. Bent? Somebody did that already. Okay. Between. Yeah, I don't know. I'm blank at this point. Blanco. Tiene pantalón blanco. Nice, nice. Fuel. Truffle. Truffle butter. Damn, that's a big swerve. Nice. Mm. True is good, Chino. I think you were locked. You can write that again. You can get it. Nice. Huh? Waffle? Oh my god. We didn't get it. That's crazy. We needed just one more. Dang. Okay. I'm good. I'm good. Y'all did amazing. Oh my god. Hunter with the high score. Okay. 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 With the ultimate. But for this round, Glitter got the high score. But all around, Hunter, you got the shit. Dang. Okay. 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 Nice. Dang. There's a Y in this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I hate it when they got an X or a Y in the fucking shit. Lacey? That's a name. The fuck? Cynical. That's a big word right there. Holy shit. That's a big ass word right there. I gotta learn that. Cynical. Okay. Okay. Inlay. Okay. Okay. Lay. Oh, okay. That's common. I'm just throwing out words. Hey. Look at me.
Hey, but my Jesus beast, I might squeeze the beast.
Hey,
Hold on my way, I'm on flood the streets.
on the
Hey,
street.
and I'm on the sling, I won't make a scene. Nigga front on me, I'm gonna make a scene. Run up in this shit, run up in this shit. Hey, all night, been roof up, still on this goop.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hot spot, call, yes, hoes go to limit squad. Might just go icy my wrist, might just go call me some squares. Small circle, I can't fuck with squares. Hey, I had to get it high, got it, nigga, life ain't fair. Hey, split the lean all on my kiss and got another pair. Hey, I say fuck on two hoes, man, I got another pair. Hey, bro boy, 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 bro boy.
Oh shit! You know, got the head for.
Bro boy, why should I keep jugging all these bro boys? In the mall buying ice Brazil, bro boy. I can't even kick it with these bro boys. He ain't come to buy back to seal, bro boy.
Crimson Crew.
I think I'm gonna work. Hold on. Hold on now. Hold on. Oh, you got it? Dang. Wait. That's crazy. Line, lint, inlet, intel, intel. Don't write it, guys. Don't write it. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Intel. Is that a word? Fucking hell. Fuck! Why didn't they give me intel? Someone write it so I can see if it goes in. Intel, intel, intel. Space Cowboy, hola. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Todo bien? Bunny, ¿cómo estás? Welcome, bienvenido. Todo bien, Pat. I'm glad you could join. Join in, Space Cowboy, so you can learn some English words, just like I am trying to learn some English, Todo good? How about you? I'm good. I'm doing great. I'm doing great, actually. Thank you. Thank you for asking. Estoy bien. Hey, oi. I'm chilling, you know? I'm glad you could join me. Thank you. And, oh shit, y'all getting it. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more words. Oh, well, 10. Oh, 2 stars. Let's go. That's so good. Oh, they're really good. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Yeah. What kind of Rocket League is this? Nah, this is just words. Quiero aprender más inglés. Quiero aprender más inglés. Entonces, yo juego esto. Para aprender unas palabras en inglés. Venta unas palabras en inglés aquí para que te aprendes también. Is this a word, Tom? Of course it is. Open, none, gone, fine, opening, nope. That's right. Okay. Peon. Peon. Is that a word? Peon. It actually is. That's crazy. 9 peon. 9. Of course, 9. Of course. We're gonna have something while listening to me. Okay, nice, nice. Go ahead, do your thing. Thank you. Thank you for having me in the back. You can lurk. I appreciate you. Kitchen. That's the second best word. You got the best, the biggest, and the second best. That's crazy. Nice. Big brain, guys. We got a big brain right here. We got a 5-head. Hunter, the 5-head. I gotta put like a scoreboard. Put the you know, the high scores up here. Big brain. Pine cone. Pigeon. Spawn. Did anybody put that? Spawn? Oh, we did. Oh, right. That's some one word. Dang. Okay. Neon. Beautiful. Nice. Beautiful. Let's go. We're moving up, guys. We're moving up. It's beautiful. Let us see it. Let us see it.
Acting like my partner, you not on the roster. Bitches down the fuck, you so you round the up. Bit like Donald Duck and get me fucked up. You don't ride around, tell me you ain't seen me, did you? Yeah, I came out, cast a nigga, fuck a image. Matt Black, scat, pay, hide the engine. Even hot since the beginning, yo, I'm tired of winning. Just undefeated, Wolf undefeated. 100 high, keep it, that is not a secret, nigga. Wolf undefeated, just undefeated. Niggas wanna join us cause they couldn't beat it, nigga. Just undefeated, Wolf undefeated. You can get treated, nigga, best believe it. Wolf undefeated, just undefeated. Missions get completed, nigga, we succeeded, nigga.
Adequate. Dang. Ooh. Yo, Chino, you beat her to it. Dang. Oh, we speaking big words now. I see y'all. Speaking big words.
Where's the challenge?
I know you niggas wanna be me, but it's levels. I got the game tatted on me, that's forever. Never know my moves and all my spots, but I move clever. Never know my stash, how much I got, but ain't no tell. Running through it, get that bag, come on. Titanic yacht, big enough for all my niggas to jump on. I know she came with you, but she looking for me to go home. Rolling discontinue like the drink I used to sip on. I'm the huncho, bitch. I'm about my cheddar. Quavo. Little hoe keep going outside, little bitch do better, bitch. She want me to hit it, put my blicky on the dresser. Got it. Feeling brilliant, just like D-Line, pop the Tesla. You ain't got no motion, you can't stand up in my session. I said, Carisha, please, cause she too messy. Bitch, fuck my dog behind my back, but I ain't stressing. You wanted the game, you should've just said it. You would've blessed it. Should've just said it, she got messy. Smoking exotic shit, exotic bitch. Thinking I'm bringing all kind of narcotics with me. Got guns on the table, I'm like, who fired it here? This bitch got past security, I'm like, who let her?
Reason left for dead, clock a respectable 40, you gotta lead them and shit. Dude, that's because they're not even zombies, they're just infected. They got like this rage virus, amps them up like they've been smoking the swag. Totally unfair to compare.
Don't let that bitch be a 10, cause she too messy. Fuck them broke boys with it. Get out my section, get out my section. I pull them up, goddamn, too much flex. Damn, call them in traffic on the acid, get me pressed. Got them, smoking Zaza every second, I be stressing. He ain't tryna beat him, fuck you, want to stretch him. Do that, they wipe their nose for that tissue, God bless him. Drop the floor, put my car, that shit was rubber.
back. Hey, push me to the edge.
All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. Phantom, that's alright. It's alright. That's how they are out of step. I just want that. I'm really mad. I'm really mad.
Oh my god, Glitter, you're probably blocked. Because that's definitely a word. And I feel like you ain't, yeah. You took that in at the moment. Yes. Yeah. Why did not pick it up? That's good.
I don't really care if you cry. I don't really shouldn't have lied. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my
Nuts.
friends are dead. Push me to the edge.
Oh, we love the nuts.
All my friends are dead.
What's the longest word though? Suntan? Suntan. Huh. Interesting. Tuna. P. Brand would have known about that. Tuna. He liked the tuna and art. Yeah. Suntan. Tuna. Okay. None. Good. Good. Stun. Are they stun? Saturn? No.
I don't really care if you cry. I don't really shouldn't have lied.
Yeah, I don't know any other words. These letters. To be honest with y'all. Arts. Nice. That's interesting. Yeah.
Tu lèves la main.
Nice, we made it through. Let's go, guys. We made it. We made it. Nah, you didn't just say that. Good girl, get out of here. A booty hole, girl. That's a booty hole. Hell nah. Girl, that's a booty hole. Nah, I'm just gonna put this one. Dance. Don't get distracted. I'm dancing. There's a Y. Oh, okay. Okay, guys, I'm looking in. What the fuck? Is that a word? Back? Oh wait. Can I write back? Okay. Look, my English ain't good, okay guys? Don't judge me. Please, don't judge me. Backyard. That's the longest word. That's crazy. Face Cowboy, how did you get that? You don't even speak English. I don't get that. That's crazy. Nah, you're good. Nice. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. Good fucking shit. Seriously. Rack. Oh, you did better. Rack, back, fart.
A lot of niggas never seen 18. My young boy favorite color stay green. 30 years on the triple beam. Broke the slot machines out of Medellin. My man just came home from doing 20 flat. He already back to selling crack. He looked at me and said this so that he know. Rockin' Sasquatch fat prints from head to toe. The cloth he was cut from is still loyalty. 12 gold slugs, Chanel mask, you know it's me. I don't give a fuck who you is, man. You ain't fuck 12 gold slugs, Chanel mask, you know it's me.
That's it? That's not enough cream. How are we supposed to think about shit like this? That's crazy. That's fucking crazy. That's... Hunter's still at the top. 6'9". Wow, what a beautiful fucking high score number. Congratulations, Hunter. You're up there. Oh yeah. Good shit. And I'm all the way at the bottom as a fucking streamer with my 4 points. Yeah. Yeah. 69 on Takashi. Damn. Nah, beautiful. Beautiful number. Okay. Yo, what are these fucking letters though? I can't. I fucking can't. Nanny? Okay. Fuck. Annoying. Yeah, I know all about that. I ain't getting beautiful. I ain't getting
I know you his, baby girl, I know you his, but tonight you mine. Kidnapped your bitch for the day and turned it into Valentine's. My fucking wrist so iced out, I can't tell the time.
You're getting out of here.
Hurry, Johnny. Hurry.
Not we. You.
Told my teacher, dumb bitch, I'm going to get millions. Watch this. In the project living. Spoke it till existence. Voila. I'm from where you can't trust a soul.
Annoying? Damn, who you calling annoying? Annoying? You can get punched. Okay. Connect. Thank you, Nick.
Cutthroat committed, everybody told me sketches. Flying through the city, and I got them semis driven. And they come to paper, baby, you know we get plenty.
Oh my god, that's a lot of words. Oh my god, Glitter, I hope you're still here. We need you. We need you right now. We need you. Oh my god. Follicle. Clove. Clove? No, clove. Clove. Oh, a loaf of bread. A loaf. A loaf. Official. Oh, beautiful. That's a big word. Let's go. Right? Loaf. Okay. Official. Office? No, there's no E. Okay. Oil. Yeah.
You do hate me, don't you, Johnny?
Oh, nice. Oil. Okay. Fail? What? Focal? Okay, yeah. Those are big words that I would never think about. Nice. And then we got flesh. Okay. Close. Hole. Nice. Yeah. Oh shit! Our time is up, guys. Fuck.
Jumping up and down, playing monkey in the middle. She swallow all my kids, she a bad babysitter. Kim Jong-un in my past is a missile. Friend of the family, I hit all the sisters. The mama love me, so she hit all my pills straight up. cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, 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 cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out.
Drum is the explosion. Stu, you still with me? What is this? What's going on here?
Record label full of snackles. Rap root with no rappers. I could get a nigga scratch. Call me daddy, she a bastard. Coming baby on your dad. 100K on the medallion. Rolling, he don't never tech. Spinning shit to get it back. I don't like none of you rappers.
Yo, why is the next round not starting? Take us so long.
Project baby with no simulate.
Oh, I
Indicated, but I never let my little nigga, he gon' handle that. I could get a nigga wet. Fuck that little hoe, she a net. I could get a nigga kidnapped. I could get a nigga snatched. I can do it by myself. I go do it by myself.
Oh, there you go. That's that word again.
Speak. Rap root with no rappers. I could get a nigga scratch. Call me daddy, she a bastard. Coming baby on your dad. 100K on the medallion. Rolling, he don't never tech.
Nice.
Spinning shit to get it back. I don't like none of you rappers. Sniper nigga, how about that?
Oh, I know a dog that I absolutely adore. That's named Pecan. Pain. Nice. Is this a word? Wait. Yeah, it is. There we go. This cowboy. Hell yeah. Pack. Of course. Pack. Nice. Nice.
to such a slummy neighborhood alone?
I am alone. I tell you, instead of feeling alone in a group, it's better to have real solitude all by yourself. When I'm dealing with them, I swear it's nothing but trouble. And I get nothing out of it. So it doesn't matter if I'm there or not.
I don't like you, why you always trying to follow me? I'm your king, I'm your love, I'm your diamond piece. Take this emotion that just found its way inside of me. Since a kid, I've been searching for the truth in me. I'm a bubble, my baby says. I said she running on me, said I'm a baby says she want cocaine. I don't got you and I'm feeling so ashamed. I could take you to this place I call the cave. Don't you worry, I'ma let you feel it safe. Bitch, we run this, can't you tell by how we press it? Moving fast, hope you got your seatbelt fastened. Fall in love, I swear we moving to Nebraska. Specializing on my life like it's your masters. I'm fucked up, you fucked up.
That's what I thought. Lore? Roll? Lover. Slover. Over. Oh. Over. Nice. Good shit. Lore? Wait, I had... Wait. Oh, Space Cowboy. Got that. Lore. Got a dip. Alright, Max. Thank you. Thank you for dropping by. I appreciate you. I love you. You know that. You know that. You're awesome. Thank you. Thank you for dropping by. Catch you next time. You guys, he's straight up gorgy, okay? Yeah. I wish he streamed. Wait, you stream, right? Hold on. He does stream, I think. Oh my god, it's him again. Yo. Yeah, it's been so long. Thank you for coming in. That's beefer. Oh yeah. You here to fix things? Oh yeah. What up? What up? I've missed you. Good to see you. Wait. I got a word. It's not good, but whatever. Gosh. Oh, I got another word. Sharp. Chops. Harp. What else we got, guys?
Wake up.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in.
No, I'm one with the universe. I'm God and Jesus, Joe. I'm going up there. I'm going up like the airplanes and the rockets. I'm going up. I'm gonna look down on the whole world.
I don't know any other words. My gosh, that's crazy. Oh, rasp? Oh, it is a word. There we go. Now we need 4 more words, guys. We got this. 5 seconds? 5 seconds? Harsh. Ash. I don't know. I'm just throwing out words. Oh my god. Yeah, yeah.
Motherfucking guala money. Bendo used to smell like some stinking enchiladas. The streets is a jungle, gotta watch for the koalas. All I ever wanted was to get rid of them ounces, 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 a whole lot of ounces,
What?
ounces, ounces, ounces.
Oh.
I'm smashing that bitch. Young rich nigga with the rolling wrist. Tripping and capping, I'm selling the bird. And capping, you fuck nigga really ain't turned. I'm selling the bricks and the
Okay, this is the last round I'm gonna do, guys. So I'm gonna go. Okay. Real. I know that's a word. Clear. Nice. Chino. You got that. Fuck, I wish I knew English words. I wish I knew. Wait, what? You're not going anywhere? What you talking about? How about you put in some words? Like, we've been slacking. We've been doing good in the beginning, and then everybody's slacking now. We slacking. Come on, put in some words. Hunter was putting on all the fucking big words. That's Come on, let's go. What you got, Brandita? Let's go. Y'all need to follow her. She's amazing. She's hilarious. She's a fucking funny fucking streamer as well. This as well as Glitter Glock 19. Y'all should follow her. Brenda, can you please put both of y'all? Shout out both of y'all. Shout out Glitter Glock and yourself, because y'all are awesome streamers. Like, I love y'all. I love y'all so much. Clear, Lace, Race, Real, Paul, Carl. Okay. Hell yeah. Guys, follow. He's awesome. He's awesome RP streamer. GTA RP streamer. She's amazing, guys. She's the reason I fell in love with fucking GTA RP, okay? Y'all need to have a look. And then we got Brandita over here. She's hilarious as fuck, okay? Shout out yourself. Do it, no more. She is an amazing streamer as well. He is good at every fucking game, and I'm jealous, you know? Whatever. He's the best at everything, like, for real. You gonna need carry? That's the girl, right there. Mule. Muscle. That's not how you write muscle, right? Oh, it is. I think. I'm not sure. Slum. That's a good word. Damn. I'm blank. I'm trying to think. Ain't no way she got the biggest word. That's crazy. Dang. Yo, nah. Braining, guys. I'm sorry. Take my phone. Oh wow. Okay. Thanks. The heck is this song? It's just a playlist. Stop. Is it too loud? Nobody's telling me. Too loud? Let's turn it down. I don't know. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. I got you. Hold on. Damn, Chino got the high score. Whee! Okay, LG. This time, LG for real. LG. Okay, LG. Let's go. I love this game, man. I love finding new words. Marty! Welcome back. What up? Happy to see you. Lloyd. Hold on. Foil. There we go. Okay, we got the big brains in the house. Where's Hunter? Where's Glitter? Y'all are all big brains. Morny, Brendita, Glitter, and Hunter. We got this. Where's Pablito? Pablito is also so good. Pino came in hot. Hell yeah. And then Space Cowboy with the fucking words, bro. He don't even speak English. Bro. I am so proud of all you guys. Like, the things y'all have been showing me. Shit. Amazing. I love you guys. Thank y'all for coming in. I appreciate y'all. Bro. Mole. Smile. Is that a word? Smile. There you go. Bile. Boil. Limp. Lime. Limbo. There's some big words still missing, guys. Can y'all think about it? Let's see. Zombie, nice. Fuck, what's that biggest word? I should have figured that shit out. Shit! We ain't got no time, guys! Okay, hold on. Oh my god. I can't. Mobile. Oh, okay. Mobilized! No, there's no D. Oh. Good shit, guys. Oh my god. 1 star? Okay. I appreciate that. That's good. Thank you, guys. Thank you all for joining in. As always, like, y'all are awesome. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Thank you. Have a good week. You know. Y'all mate. Bye, guys. Bye.
start living. I hit the bump and pop the trunk up on these busters, man. I snuck so many lines that my heart done lost all its feelings. The doctor told me to stop drinking, but I simply can't. I drank so many birds that I'm surprised I'm steady living. I pray to God that he can somehow take away this pain. So much damn agony up in my brain and nervous system. I hate these fake depressed like niggas with a passion, man. They fake this shit, meanwhile my depression steady kicking. They falsify and tell these lies, man, that's a fucking shame. Meanwhile, Rabbit man just trying to keep on fucking living. I bust the tone and watch the bullets take his life away. You want this life so bad, you bitch, I'll make you fucking live.